Well, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the remodel of our kitchen. This is the second week update. There was a lot going on this week, so I didn't get a chance to film too much because I didn't want to get in the way. But I will show you all the progress that we've made this week. We're really coming along fast on this.
Hi, we are Chuck and Ben, and we are exploring all that Italy has to offer. So please subscribe and welcome to our channel, Our Italian Adventures.
So it doesn't look like there was too much going on, but there actually was a lot because all the electrical and plumbing and gas lines had to be rewired and tubes put through, and all that was going on at the same time. And so now all that has been sealed back up and the first coat of plaster is on. So we have all the electrical in the correct spot with the water line running along the wall here to this wall here over to where the refrigerator will be over there. Also, they were able to run the power for the island here where the half wall used to be, and now we will have an outlet there and power here for like stand mixer, computer, whatnot. So all the power is in the correct spot, all the water lines, gas lines for the chandelier or the light over the island. And they also started to they made the doorway that will go into the old house, which will now be the living room soggiorno area. This part is actually the old house outer wall, which they will break through once they redo the roof. And this is where the fireplace used to be, which is now a wall. So they closed up where the fireplace was and remade the wall. So lots going on. Tomorrow, they've been able to get all the floor up and the glue. So tomorrow, the floor tiles will start to go down. And that is the example of the floor tile. So sorry I wasn't able to get more video, but there was a lot of commotion with everybody working at the same time. So I will update tomorrow once the floor tiles are in, but coming along really, really, really nicely. Well, today's an important day. It's the start of week 3, and they started putting the tile down on the floor, which is exciting. I think the floor tile looks really good. They had to level the floor first because it was a little high, but it's looking very, very good. So hopefully they'll get a lot of this done today. Well, they almost finished all the tile work today. They got a lot done. Looks fantastic. Almost done. They'll wrap it up tomorrow. They just have to cut some of these pieces along the wall, but it looks really great. Looks very, very, very good. Today's update, the floor is almost in. They almost finished yesterday, putting in the last pieces today, which look great. And oh, almost there. 3 more pieces to go. Well, the floors are all done. They're installed, and the grout is done. They look fantastic. Really happy with the choice of tile. So our next step is we have to sand around the baseboard you see there and the walls. And then we are going to paint. Also, the electrician needs to come back and put the wires in, and then once we finish painting, he will put the plates and everything on. And we obviously have to clean the floor. There's a lot of dust on it, but looks fantastic. Really, really happy with the tile. It'll go great with the cabinets. Buongiorno. Well, we are ready to start painting. Actually, Ben is going to start painting. I'm just videotaping. We didn't film the sanding because there was so much dust that you actually couldn't see anything. So we cleaned the floors, the cardboard is down for painting, and Ben is going to start painting the ceiling. So we're just doing the room in all white, and hopefully that will go well, because here in Italy you have to mix water into the paint. So it's a little bit of an experiment for us. Fingers crossed. Well, Ben finished painting the kitchen. It looks great. It was a lot of work. It took him like 4 days. We're debating on doing a 3rd coat on the ceiling just because we ran out of paint and we had to get another paint. And since you have to mix it with water, we can't tell if it's really blending or not, so, because it changes as it dries. So we're gonna let it dry a little bit more over the weekend, and then we're gonna take a look at it with fresh eyes and see, but overall, really happy. It was a big job, but he did a great job. Looks really good. The room looks so much bigger without that half wall and without the fake stone. So that's it for this update. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and we will update you once the cabinets are due to come in, hopefully in another month. So in the meantime, that's the update for now, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.